more than a month after hearing arguments, a panel of federal judges has ruled Texas cannot use its newly drawn congressional district map for the 2026 midterm elections.
Yeah, that new ruling means that for now, Texas has to stick with its current map passed in 2021 while legal challenges play out.
KVUE's Daniel Perot is live at the Texas Capitol to tell us more about this ruling and how Texas leaders are reacting. Daniel.
Ashley and Mark, it is a big blow for Texas Republicans and for President Donald Trump, who pressured Republican state lawmakers here at the Texas Capitol over the summer to redraw that congressional map in hopes that they would be able to keep Republican control of the Congress in the upcoming midterm elections. But in a 2-1 ruling today, a panel of federal judges said it appears that new congressional map is not constitutional. That decision was written by U.S. Judge Jeffrey Brown, a Trump appointee. He wrote the ruling striking down the new map, writing, "Substantial evidence shows that Texas racially gerrymandered the 2025 map." A coalition of civil rights groups sued, arguing the new map stripped power from minority voters. Initially, state Republican leaders cited a letter from the Justice Department as the reason to redraw the map. That letter said that some of the current districts were drawn based on race. Republicans and the state's attorney general later downplayed the letter, saying districts were redrawn solely for partisan gain. But one legal expert I talked to, David Frumpkin, told me the DOJ's letter ended up being a major problem for the state.
The arguments the DOJ letter put forth were incorrect on the law and therefore could not justify this redistricting plan. Because the plan was premised on a racial objective, the lack of a legal justification for that race-conscious redistricting plan rendered it a racial gerrymander.
Texas Republicans say they will appeal the ruling to the U.S. Supreme Court, but time is running out. We are 10 days into the month-long period when candidates can file to run in the March primary. The deadline to file is December 8th. Governor Greg Abbott called any claim that these maps are discriminatory absurd and unsupported by the testimony during the 10-day trial, adding, "This ruling is clearly erroneous and undermines the authority the U.S. Constitution assigns to the Texas legislature by imposing a different map by judicial edict."